Evening. So, my new van, well, new to me anyway. Bought it last year, end of August last year. Went from tent to van in one night. So, needless to say, I slept better after I bought it. But yeah, tent sleeping is brutal for me anyway. Yeah, so it's a 2011 Volkswagen Transporter, long wheelbase. It was a plumber's van before, I think, yeah, because it had like pipes and stuff in the back, like little bits of pipe, and there was shelving, like some old, like kind of smelly, stained kind of like that cheap kind of wood that you get for shelving. So I stripped it all out, and stripped everything out, cleaned it up a bit, laid down the floor. I'll show you in a second the stuff I used, and just started building. Built the bed first, I think it was, or the thing I'm leaning against now, sitting on now, like the kind of chair, sofa kind of seating area, and then yeah, I'll explain it all in a minute. But yeah, so I just basically went. Didn't have a specific plan in mind. I wanted to put, like, obviously wanted to put something something there, something here, something there, but it wasn't like definite plan or anything, and it basically just made it up as I went along. But it was very natural, the process, you know. I was going to say organic, but I hate that word. It wasn't organic. So yeah, so at the moment I'm quite happy with it. It's my kind of style, and all the angles are most of the angles are a bit wrong, and which is typical of my kind of building. I'm not like a builder or a carpenter or anything by any means. I'm not too bad with woodwork, but generally I'm not that accurate with measuring and stuff. So as long as it functions, you know, and looks reasonably good, which I think it does, in my opinion. So yeah, I'm going to show you. Basically, I got it done up with some people who do you know, the electrics, van electric stuff. I got 3000 watt inverter and all the stuff that goes with that. I bought a solar panel and got them to fit it. Roof light I got to fit, which you can see the light coming down now. In the dark. I don't like it too well lit. Yeah, so they did all that. Cost a lot, but it's worth it. Now I can do anything really. I can run a heater, electric hob. Okay, before I go on, I'm just going to show you now. Let's show you. Okay, we'll start with the heater. This little fella here. Just a little heater from B&Q. Good Home, I think it's the brand. It's like 2000 watts, but it runs half power as well, so 1000 watts. And it's really warm. On full power, it just feels like you're standing next to a fire, really. It's really good. But it eats the battery, you know. It's hungry. But you can run it for, like, I'll use 1% every 2 minutes or something, roughly like that. So on half power, it's like 1% every 4 minutes, roughly, very approximately.